Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the ditch. We're actually getting out of this? No way. No way. No. No. Don't spin. Don't spin. Don't spin. No. No. Can't be. No. I'm actually surprised I can drive a little bit. Well, we'll get the truck.
Probably backwards. Yeah, backwards.
Probably a better hookup spot back there.
Oh, there is a Hotuk on the back. A Hotuk? Hotuk? He ate shit so many times. Right in the middle, underneath there's a little tow hook. Right underneath there. Look in the middle. Right in the middle. Right above your head. See it? It's right there. Yeah. Wait, found it. It's right in the middle. Oh, well, either one.
It is a metal thing.
That it's in the ditch. I don't know. Oh, my head.
Yo, Jen. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's try this. Oh, it's not gonna work. Ah! It's so not working. They're gonna have to go from the back. Oh my goodness.